Oh, what do you think? Do you like it? What do you think, pumpkin seed? Want to try a little more? Not sure about it. I know it's fun to wear. What do you think, pumpkin? What do you think, sweetie Petey? Is that good? Do you want to try a little more? Can you at least try practicing? It's like I can get it in my mouth. But beyond that, I have no idea what to do with this.
You think he swallowed some?
I think so. I'm not really an expert on this. What do you think, pumpkin? What do you think? Mmm. Yummy. Yummy. Shall I airplane this? Benjamin's first airplane. Ooh. What do you think? Do you want to do some, Daddy? Want to give him some food? Yeah?
Sure, I don't want to be on camera though.
I will make sure you're not on camera. Look at this Bubba Doos. Hi, sweetie Petey.
Here we go. There you go. Smells good. Not.
Just let him lick a little bit off the spoon before you put a whole spoon.
No, look at how much he loves it.